Jit, you're one of our engineers here at Reliance Foundry. I know this is a crash-rated bollard, but what exactly is a crash-rated bollard?
That's actually a misconception. This is the crash-rated bollard, and this is its decorative cover.
Right.
And so what sets a crash-rated bollard apart is its ability to stop vehicle impacts, protecting pedestrians as well as buildings.
How exactly is a crash-rated bollard certified?
Well, first we design it in our software, and then we build a prototype,
Right.
and then we send it down to an accredited test facility, and it tests up to ASTM standards.
Right, so they actually hurl a real vehicle at the bollard and they test whether it passes or not.
That's right.
Right, so this one is actually rated as an M30 bollard. What does that actually mean?
It's actually a two-part thing, both the number and the letter.
Right.
The M was for a medium-sized vehicle of 15,000 pounds, and the number is the speed that it's going at, 30 miles per hour in this case.
Can you give me some examples of where crash-rated bollards are typically installed?
Crash-rated bollards are typically installed in high-risk environments where people are concerned. And so this could be all the way from a storefront, to a school, to a bank, all the way up to an airport.
How are crash-rated bollards actually installed?
Crash-rated bollard, unlike a regular bollard, its installation is tied specifically to its certification.
Right.
And so a large amount of concrete, rebar, and its embedment depth are all prescribed in this installation.
Right, so it's really the underground work that you don't see of the concrete and rebar mass underground that really gives the bollard its anchoring point and its ability to withstand those high impact crashes.
That's right. Most of the energy is actually absorbed by this concrete foundation.
I see. So Jit, this is our vector S10, and in this situation, S10 stands for a 5,000 pound vehicle traveling at 10 miles per hour. So with the unique thing with the Vector series is we kind of went back to the drawing board and reinvented the whole bollard. So we've stepped away from the kind of cylindrical form factor and we're able to improve the design somewhat from our perspective. And really, if you look at it from the side, we really have the mass material where the impact zone is, reducing material at the top where it's not required as much. We've got multiple pieces of steel laminated together for added strength, side flanges for even more strength. Is that an accurate assessment? Can you add anything more to the construction details?
That's right. We actually tried something new with this, but we also focused on its installation method.
Right.
With this bollard, unlike other crash-rated bollards, we don't need rebar.
So I know one of your big goals with this was to kind of make it more useful for storefront owners. And for those kind of owners, the installation part of it is probably most of the cost, honestly. It's a lot of labor and rebar work underneath the ground. So with this one, basically, you can just dig a hole, put it in the ground, pour concrete, and you have a crash-rated bollard and that liability protection that you're looking for, correct?
That's right.